Oh my God! What was that? Oh! Oh my God! Oh, holy shit! Oh! What is going on, fam? B-Force Thrills here at King's Dominion. Yes, the first time King's Dominion is making an appearance in the vlog. But not my first time here. My first visit was actually last night. Got some rides in. A little bit of a preview night for me. So some of the rides aren't going to be initial reactions, but I'll kind of pretend that they're initial reactions for you guys. Yeah, the vlog fam, the B-Force Thrills fam. So we're gonna head inside the park and try to get as much in as we can because it's gonna be an epic time. So just like at my home park at Great Adventure, we get to bypass all this because we got the I'm a very important person line, fam. Let's go. The really cool thing here at King's Dominion is they have a tradition right before they open up the ticket gates. They play the national anthem. The patriotism, that's really cool. Just, this park is just amazing. Like with International Street, it definitely reminds me of a mini Canada's Wonderland, but with an Eiffel Tower instead of Wonder Mountain. Also, I'm not sure if this is for America 250 or if this is normally here, but huge Liberty Bell replica right here in the middle of the park. That's awesome. Yo fam, I found King's Dominion's version of flying scooters. It's the flying cuckoos! This is Steel Force all over again. Let's go! Hell yeah! Both Racer 75 credits are in the books for number 76 and 77, as well as Apple Zapple for number 78. So we have one more before I want to make number 80, Twisted Timbers. The only problem is I haven't seen it cycle yet, and I did see that maintenance is on site, but still got one more coaster before number 80, so I think I'm going to make Dominator number 79. And then we'll check on the status at Twisted Timbers, and hopefully it's up and running at that point. So, catch you over at Dominator. Alright, so number 79, Dominator, done. And wow, thank you Geauga Lake for your sacrifice, because that is definitely my new favorite floorless. Better than Medusa, better than Hydra. I think those are the only two floorlesses I've rode so far. But good news is, according to my fast lane, Twisted Timbers has reopened, so number 80, let's freaking go.
Mini mic is out, but I promise it's not because this is serious. Just trying to use the noise canceling in it to avoid copyright strike. Because music is a little loud here in the former Wayne's World section of the park. But credit number 80, Twisted Timbers. The only comparison that I can have with this is Wildcat's Revenge at Hershey Park, because that's the other hybrid from RMC that I rode. And they're two completely different coasters. I can tell Wildcat's Revenge was built more for speed and for inversions, whereas Twisted Timbers is definitely a lot more airtime focused, especially ejector airtime. Lots and lots of ejector hills, and it was such an awesome ride. Definitely worth it being number 80 for my coaster credit count. So how does that rank up compared to the other 79 coasters that I rode? Well, you're just gonna have to find out when I ride the other ones here for the first time for the vlog. So I'm not gonna spoil anything. But there is one more credit that I have to catch that is open, and that will be the pause to the coaster credits until I visit the next new park, which that's in the works. Figuring out what park that is, because the ultimate goal is Cedar Point, Top Thrill 2, number 100. That is the goal by the end of 2026. So we shall see.
So in a shocking turn of events, Grizzly was actually a nice little airtime machine. I see you there, Grizzly. But if you couldn't hear in the background, we're at Jungle X, so you know what that means. It's Pantherian time, let's go fam.
In the words of El Toro Ryan, you can't go on the night-night ride with me, so. Oh, yes. Let's go! Oh my gosh. We're doing it. We're doing it, fam. We're doing it. Oh my gosh. Holy sh! Yeah!
He's already dead.
Oh my god! What was that? Oh! Oh my god! Oh. Holy sh! Oh! Wow! Whoa! Holy sh! Good morning.
All right, so not only did I do one, not two, but 3 gray out rides in a row on Pantherian. I have to let the cat out of the bag now after 5 lifetime rides on Pantherian. New #1 coaster for me. Top tier coaster. Oh my gosh, from start to finish. The speed, the intensity, the airtime, the sharp, snappy turns. Like, there is nothing like Pantherian. Like, nothing. Like, it is just incredible. So I need to take a break before I do more rides on it, before I head back up to New Jersey. But oh my gosh, I'm just, every time I ride that thing, I'm just speechless. But we got fast lane. There's a 75-minute wait time on Flight of Fear. But, you know, your boy got fast lane, so he could do everything today, so it ain't gonna be 75 minutes. So we're gonna swap out the Oakleys for the Ray-Bans and get some footage on Flight of Fear. Let's go.
You'll be launching in 5.
I can't see shit out of this thing.
Flight of Fear. That's all I gotta say. Flight of Fear. Sorry. But now what I gotta do is enjoy some good old, well not old, but some good new age B&M jank. Raptor time. So thoughts on Raptera, the newest ride here at Kings Dominion. So it's got the B&M jank, that's for sure. It's definitely got that shimmy shammy to it, that little rattle, but it's still an enjoyable ride. It's not terrible. It doesn't really take away from the experience. It's just not the hyper glass smooth B&M coaster that everyone has come accustomed to ever since the 90s. But still a good ride. Still absolutely loved it. And yeah, so plans for the rest of the visit. Think I'm going to end up going over back to Pantherian, lap it a little bit more, and then probably get some stuff at the gift shop. And then as you notice, there is no taste test for Kings Dominion because instead, since I'm in Virginia, there's going to be a taste test at Buc-ee's Taste Test time. First in the vlog, let's go, fam. All right, I apologize that this is a weird angle and the lighting is weird. I don't normally do this. It's usually at theme parks, but Buc-ee's Taste Test time. First, we got the brisket sandwich, because you don't go Buc-ee's without getting this. Let's dig in. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. That's not just a certified banger. That's a double certified banger. Next up, beaver chips. Certified banger. Also, you don't go to Buc-ee's unless you get beaver nuggets. Beaver nugget. Yo. Double certified banger. Anyways, I'm gonna continue going ham with this brisket sandwich. But if you enjoyed today's vlog, go ahead and leave a like and a comment down below. Also hit subscribe. And guys and gals, hold on. Yeah. Double certified bangers. Brisket's falling out. Staining my pants, but it's all good. Anyways, catch you on the next ride.